What's good, y'all? We back at it over here. We at the Hoover Dam today. Say hi, bae. Say hi, bae. So we about to take these steps right here. Got a little amenity wall right here. Pat Tillman was from Arizona in this area. There's the highway up there. Here's the steps we're taking right here. Here's the view. The Hoover Dam is here as well, but there's a road that comes down here that we can keep going to, I think, for another minute. It's another minute down that road. And there's some more views. But we wanted to stop right here when we see these steps. Oh, this is called the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Pat Tillman was that Army vet who was playing football, left football to go join the military, and then died in combat overseas. Got some steps right here. It's a pretty nice day. It's January. The middle of January. It's like it's about 60 right now with a light breeze. And I'll discontinue this video when I reach the top.